Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we are going to discussing in this video that if you remember in the previous video, we can look at that we just add the ground as well as the player function, some basic functionality like we are going to jump, and as well as we are going to walk through it, and we can see the world. So that's two functionality we are just added here. You can see that there's one is a look and the second one is a player movement. Now in this tutorial, what we are going to do, we are basically doing them. We are going to do the canvas. We are basically adding the shooting property to our scene, to our tent. We can say that to our player. So now for that, what we are going to do, first you are going to right click on here, and then you have to do one, just directly go to the UI and then go drag in the image. And now what we are going to do here is that you can, if I am, oh my goodness, what I just did it here. Okay, what is basically this? Let me check it first of all. Is it not a 3D? How is it going to doing this? What kind of talent is it? I don't know. Oh, now I understand. Okay, now I understand it. We're just clicking here and just go to the just click the image, and then what we are going to do, we're going to reduce the size of it is to 2, and then going to 2 2 2 2 2 so 2 2. Okay, and then what we are going to do next is that, is it not too much it's too much big? Why is it like this? Okay. I set the width inside like this, and why is it okay? I want to make it, I don't know, let me check it from a video, because I know that I just did something wrong to it here.
Sure.
Okay, let me do here. Okay, this is basically like there's a canvas and image. Then why is it like doing this? I don't know. Okay. I don't know what is this. Why is doing this? Let me click on the graph and I say FF. And put here, and then I'm going to see here why the image is going. And then going to be another 10 for the width. Here as you can see, yeah, this is over basically. Or now, and here I don't know why it's doing here, but we are going to see our gaming window. Okay, we are focusing on our gaming window, not only on this, because the image is looking too much weird. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click right at here, just create and just create our script. So now we are going to name it like SHOT shoot. Okay, now what we are going to do next is that once it's open, then we are going to click on double tap. It will automatically open our Visual Studio, and then what we are going to do, just implement some basic function here. Okay. So this is our function. Now what is this function for meaning and other stuff, we are going to discuss it here for now, but we have to wait for a sec. So that is going to be I take a little bit time, is I don't know, because of this. Okay, we're going to waiting for it. Just open it. Once it open, then we are going to proceed to our next step. Come on, why it's taking too much long? Okay, now we are going to click on that look. No, not on look. Where basically your script? Why it's not load? I don't know. Let me click on double it again. So here we are going to see that we didn't need the start button for now, start function for now. Sorry for that. Okay, then we are going to just go. Okay. Why it's doing this? We are declaring two methods. Sorry, two variables here. Is that one is public, and we can say the camera because we are targeting on the camera function. Then we can say FPS cam. Okay, now what is basically that is basically target the camera and also that we are shooting cursor. So now the second thing, it will, the second thing is basically slow that and it's basically the range. It will specify the range, that in which range our rifle is going to be shoot. So now I just set the range for the 100, and then what you are going to do in the next update function, then we are going to do, if you're checking if the player, if the input of the player is going to be like so input, okay, input dot get button down, and then we can see it is basically the file one is that like it's basically the file one is basically our left click mouse. Okay, what is indicate basically like it will indicate that, and then here we are going to shoot ray. Okay, so ray sure, another shoot range. Okay, and here we are going to just give our method, just click on here. It's basically generate a method for it. Generate a method. Yeah, it's well, it generate the method for here. Just delete that for now, we don't need that. And then we can say that if physics here is it, or physics dot raycast, and then our FPS cam dot transfer dot position. Most of the time it will do that position and that all over the stove position, and that was that is one thing. And the second is the FPS cam dot what dot transfer dot forward transfer. Okay, can here is that a transfer dot forward. And the third thing is that out. Let me do it here that we can see that is out. Is it out ray case hit is basically hit, and the range is like this is basically the built-in function of that, and we didn't do anything about all this other stick. Okay, then we are going to do what is that the second thing, we are going to say that debug dot log, and then we don't do anything, but now simply we are printing t dot transfer not. We are basically the printing the name of that thing that it whenever we are just shooting something. Okay, so I will so let me just Control C, Control V. Come on, why it's taking too much long here? OMG. And then what we are going to do here is that we just, if the object didn't hit anything, then we can say miss. So now just copy paste and then go to a script, Why it's not loading? Yeah, what? Come on, yeah. What the heck is this, yeah? Is it this? It's disgusting, you know. Okay, we are going to attach the script to the uh, main camera. Okay. Not on main camera. Basically, we are attaching that to image, and here we say shoot. Okay, the camera is basically no, it's not. We're not going to attach in here from this. We're going to attach on main camera. Here you can say message shoot, and the camera is basically where is the oh, I forgot it. We're going to attach it here like so shoot, and the camera is basically that. So we just click in here, control save, and then we're going to okay, hope it will work. Okay, look here. We just hopefully you just see that the name of that object is ground. If we just hit in here, is that just a miss, because now once we are going to move here, we can see that you can see that. Oh no, we're not going to do that. So this is our game. Hopefully you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. That's it for now.